Can we redo that part again? Hi, it's Sarena from Bob's Red Mill. We're here today to talk about pie crust, and one of my favorite ways of using our pie crust is not for a sweet pie, but for making dinner. But first, we're going to talk about how to mix up our pie crust. I've got my trusty Bob's Red Mill easy pie crust. All you have to do is mix it up, chill it, roll it, fill it, and then put it on top. And then bake it. It's a really great product. It comes together really quickly. So let's get to it. First, we're going to put in our flour mixture. It's great because all the flours are already mixed together. You don't have to think about anything. And then we're going to take our cold butter. I opted to just go with butter this time. You can do half butter, half shortening. Both work beautifully. I've done it both ways. So put that in. And we're going to use a fork and cut it in. I've got ice cold water here. I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons. We happen to be filming in Utah right now, so it's a lot drier than it is in Portland, Oregon. So you should definitely know that the recipe on the bag is a guideline for you. Definitely take into consideration the climate outside, especially when you're baking. Baking can be a little bit trickier, but just use it as an adventure. Don't get too worried about it. It will come together. It just takes a little bit of time. I'm gonna take this dough and I'm gonna put it in a plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, let it cool off so it's easier to work with, so we can roll it out and put it on top of our pot pie filling.